Hi, my name is Douglas Gorlai, Vice President of Marketing here at Arista Networks, to discuss today our introduction of VM Tracer. Arista VM Tracer supports Arista's virtualization strategy, which in a nutshell is to build the best switch for virtualized environments, where the VM administrator controls the virtualization platform and the network administrator reduces and removes onerous tasks, integrates smoothly with the virtualization platform, and most importantly, delivers unprecedented visibility to the network operator as to which virtual machine is where and what its current state is. VM Tracer solves several virtualization challenges, from the consolidation of a large number of virtual machines onto a smaller number of high-powered servers with larger, flatter networks, with the loss of network visibility, where technologies like VMware fault tolerance depend on low latency and high performance, and the inherent organizational, administrative, and architectural conflict between the network and virtualization teams about the direction of the infrastructure. VM Tracer is designed to solve and address all of these issues while working with other Arista technologies like multi-chassis link aggregation, low latency switching, and high-performance wire speed networking. VM Tracer is 5 core features: virtual machine auto discovery for real-time VM tracking, adaptive segmentation for dynamic VLAN creation, pruning, and unpruning, VM host view, where we get full visibility to the host infrastructure surrounding the virtual machine farm and in and from the network switch, VMware ESX port profiles for auto configuration of best practice configurations, and VM Tracer multi-tenancy, where we can support multiple vCenter instances from a single EOS-enabled Arista switch. First, our switches directly connect via an API to VMware vCenter, enabling a full physical to virtual binding display from switch port to host domain in vSwitch and uplink. We support host discovery, where we can learn that in this case, ESX1 is a Dell PowerEdge 2950. Knowing the CPU capacity helps us understand the bandwidth capabilities. Knowing the network interface card lets us know the max throughput, and the service tag enables rapid troubleshooting without having to uncable the infrastructure. VM Discovery shows us the status of each virtual machine on that ESX host. We support adaptive segmentation. In previous modes of operation, the vMotioning of a virtual machine from one host to another across a switched infrastructure could create a blocking scenario because in this instance, VLAN 6 has not been manually configured into the switch on the left. With VM Tracer, all operations are automated within an approved range of VLANs. As a virtual machine is moved from one ESX host to another, the VLANs are auto-created. The permit VLAN list on each .1Q trunk is pruned or unpruned automatically, and end-to-end connectivity is then assured. Multi-tenancy allows us to support multiple vCenters for lab, production, private cloud, and other use cases on a shared network infrastructure, where the allowed VLAN range is decreed for each vCenter implementation by the network team during the point of connection. VM Tracer comprises 5 key features: VM Auto Discovery, Adaptive Segmentation, Host View, ESX port profiles, and VM Tracer multi-tenancy. The VM Tracer runs across the entire range of Arista switches, from the 7048, 7100T, 7100S, and modular 7500 series. In summary, this enables Arista EOS with VM Tracer in the Arista 7000 family to be the best hardware and software for virtualization deployments in the network, addresses the performance requirements of all of the advanced virtualization features, and I think most importantly, streamlines the workflows between server and network administrators. Thank you.